Hi everyone and greetings. My name is Shua and I am the host and founder of a podcast called Light Up with Shua. It's a weekly podcast on conscious living and parenting. It is available on YouTube and iTunes and also Spotify, Castbox, TuneIn Radio, and my links are available on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and I think Twitter. Not I think it is. And I hope you are already subscribed to it. And if you haven't, please do. I have guests from all walks of life. I am looking forward to hearing from you. Please don't hesitate to go on my website, www.lightupwithshua.com. Let me know what do you think. I have guests from all ages. You can watch some 4-year-olds, 6-year-olds, teenagers, and if there is anything that you would like to see or find out about Pakistan or about USA. So hope to see you on my website or through the Facebook links and all. And please do subscribe and share, rate and review. Light Up with Shua. Thank you.